Sometimes it goes left, sometimes it goes right, sometimes it goes backwards, sometimes it goes forwards. But it's just about flow and energy and good vibes.
Ensure your wheel is off before you switch the direction you'd like for your wheel to spin in. This is best practice for the longevity of your wheel. Adjust the pedal for reach accessibility and comfort. When placing your splash pan, lock the left side underneath the right. Squeeze it until it snaps. Next up, we're setting up the Shimpo Aspire to fit your body's physiology standing up. In this video, we are using paver bricks to add some height to the Aspire in order to elevate it around waist height. It's the most comfortable way to throw when your elbows can rest at a 90-degree angle. When centering, this comes in handy. The splash pan fits right over the wheel head. Turn it counterclockwise for it to lock. When securing the bat, give it a light whack over both bat pins. The Aspire turns in only one direction, and you can choose between a pedal or a lever.